Hey YouTube world, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to discuss about the Spring Embassy versus Spring Boot. The difference of three is right now required because if I take you to the IDE, right, and we have added in XML, we have added our these three dependency, and MVC was the one which I have told you to download it from Maven repository and update your project, right? So in the continuation of that, it is my responsibility to let you know what's going on here. Okay, what are these dependency? What are this dependency? What is the Spring Boot starter dev test MVC? Okay, so I want to tell you all about them now. So what is this one first? Spring. Right now, till now, you have been you must be able to answer this now. Okay, so why we are using the Spring? Spring is used for basically, just consider this as all about my dependency injections. Okay, and this lead to dependency injection lead to IOC containers. Okay, and IOC container leads to POJOs. Okay, so this is all about the Dada Adam kind of Jamana ka something code. Okay, the Spring MVC come into the picture. Okay, and what it will do, it will simplify my building web apps, building web apps. So probably we are seeing, I am shooting this video in 2026, and you might be thinking, in the era of AI, any web app will exist or not? Definitely they are going to exist, and yeah, REST API will still be there because these things are not going anywhere. Why? Because you can't just give your code base, the traditional code base, to any of your any LLM model which will make work for you in a simpler way. That is, when you handle your traditional code to AI, right, it create a mess out of it. And AI is very helpful when you're creating something, a new application directly from scratch. You are not involving any other thing there. Okay, so human intervention is less at that point of time. So that is the place where AI will help you. Okay, but not in the traditional web apps. Now coming to Spring Boot. So what is Spring? It will do. Consider this, like, Spring community says it as a Spring project. Which project? Spring project. Basically this project. Okay, so they confirm this as the project of this. And what it is doing, this is a project for the it is a Spring project which is helping me to build production ready application, prod ready applications in a simple minute. But how it is going to help me with that? So it consists of basically three major things. One is auto configuration. Okay, so yesterday we have seen, when we have put the debugging level to trace, we have multiple beans created. All of that comes under the auto configuration. Second thing is starter project. This is the one which we have created using our Spring IO, starter.spring.io. Remember, we go to that website, we downloaded a zip folder, stater starter.spring.io. Okay, so we have downloaded it from there. The third comes as an embedded server. So if you have paid attention, yesterday I have told you Tomcat started at port 8080, right? And we had even seen that. So we haven't. Did you just remember that we even had not put it the Tomcat into our picture anywhere? Like, Tomcat was not even, we have installed in our dependency as well, but still Tomcat was there. How? This is the magic of Spring Boot. You see, this is the magic of Spring Boot. It helped me. It helped me to create the web apps which are directly production ready app. So you can define the Spring Boot as a single entity which will help you create these all in a very efficient manner, and it contain all this into a single environment. You didn't embed a Tomcat, you didn't provided any other configuration, but it has done everything for you. So now what's the next thing? The next thing is very clear. You just have to create your project ready applications. Like, you will go and directly create your what you can create your controllers, you can create your models, you can create your service layer, you can create your repos. Okay, so you have to focus on these building blocks majorly. You don't have to consider anything about the that how to embed my server here, how my server will configure. I have to start the server. It will do it for you. These are the things which Spring Boot is going to take care for you. That's why it is important to know Spring before knowing the Spring Boot, because Spring Boot is not a framework. It's a wrapper above Spring. Okay, Spring project. Okay, so now you are knowing the difference. So don't stop calling Spring Boot as a framework. Spring Boot is a wrapper around the Spring. Spring is a framework. Okay, hopefully you have liked this video, and if you have liked the video, please write your thoughts over the comment. Since I am making this journey from like last 2 years now, and I am not hitting the subscribers and the viewers which I might think I should hit till now, but it is not going in that pace. So I am not even knowing if this is making any sense to you guys or the viewers who are viewing this. If you are liking this video, please like the button, hit the subscribe button, like the videos, or do any comment, so that it will be a knowing point for me if I should continue creating the videos or not. Okay.